calling to schedule the meeting so we can, bop, 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 bop. Okay, so you can repeat that same message. Now, the other thing that you can do, which is right out of the Easton University portal, is a bang bang email. The bang bang email is you're gonna think what time works for you, because you can be selfish, but then also what do you think might be the best time? And then you're gonna send an email that says, hey, in terms of scheduling the on-site, I went ahead and first thing you're gonna do is put together a calendar invite. So let's say it's Tuesday the 11th, right? You're gonna be on site. You're gonna write all of that up in the calendar invite, whatever calendar you use, Outlook, Gmail, I don't care. But you're not gonna hit send on it. Then you're gonna write a separate email. This is why I call it the bang bang. You're gonna write a separate email. And then the title of the email is gonna be like meeting Tuesday the 11th, 10 a.m. And then let's say his name's Steve. Slow Steve, because he hasn't gotten around to us. Steve, I went ahead and scheduled the on-site that we're looking to do for Tuesday the 11th at 2 p.m. If that time works for you, simply accept and forward to your people. If not, feel free to suggest a new time. And then here's why we bang bang this. You have to have both of them written. Because if you just send the calendar invite, slow Steve is going to be sarcastic Steve and look at that and be like, what the hell is she thinking? She doesn't get to dictate my calendar. And he's going to go unavailable. But if you wait, hit send on that. So, because I'm a dork, I think about this stuff. That shows up in his inbox here. And then immediately, this is why it's bang, bang. You hit send on the email. That other email's on top of the invite. So he actually sees the other email first and it says, I just sent you an email. Now you're being collaborative in the email by saying, if that time works, simply accept and forward to your people. If not, feel free to suggest a new time. The reason why this has been so powerful for me and everybody else on Easton University is Steve is not giving you a meeting because Steve is a lazy ass. Okay? We're going to leverage that. It's like judo or jiu-jitsu. We're going to leverage his lazy assness and make it so easy for him with those words, simply accept and forward. And he's going to go, time's not ideal, right? That's when I play pickleball. But I guess I could miss pickleball. Fine. Because it's just too much work for him to suggest another time. So try the bang bang. When in doubt, he might not respond to any of that. Then you just stay in your time loop. Hey, Steve, Lena over here with XYZ. I sent you over the, wanted to make sure you had the email invite for the meeting on Tuesday the 11th. I'm going to send it over now. Don't even say I'm going to resend it because that could be passive aggressive. I'm going to send it over now and I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3222. Now we're just staying really constructive in that moment. Don't get down on this and don't punish him when you finally get the meeting because that's just going to ruin the relationship, right? And if he's like, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to blow you off. What I would do if I was you, Lena, and be like, I'll be honest, I didn't even notice. Like you, see how I'm gonna make myself look good, but at the same time, I'm gonna do it by also bringing them onto the boat that I'm on. Because if I just talk about how awesome I am, I'm bragging. But if I talk about how awesome we are, it's true. It's really weird, right? And I go, like you, Steve, man, I'm so slammed. Didn't even notice. Like you, I got a ton of stuff going on and it's like meeting after meeting. I'll be honest, I didn't even notice. Just like you, I got so much going on. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday the 11th. Yeah, me too. We're both busy. Right now he's going to be like, I like that Lena. She's amazing and she's busy like me. No, we're not, Steve. She actually works. You're playing pickleball. You know that. Pickleball, Steve. So yeah, that's how I'd handle that. You're really close. Let's just... And I get it, and this is easy for us to handle in coaching. It pisses you off when they do this stuff. And
when his boss tells him,
I know,
meeting.
I know, and this is where like a bouncer, we got to be like the bouncer at the nightclub that's like in their soul just like wanting to break this drunk person in half, but we have to remain cool. Don't break him in half. Don't punish him. Let's just get him the heck out the club. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini master class. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.